So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on to today's video. Today's video is something that's really exciting for me because I had always wanted these. So today, as you probably guessed from the title, it's more of a reveal rather than an unboxing of my one of my presents for Christmas, and it's from Hermes, and they're beautiful and I'm obsessed, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for clicking on to today. And if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please perhaps consider subscribing, because that would mean the world to me. So till next time, thank you guys, and let's get into today's video. But really quickly, before we do, I just wanted to say a happy new year to every single person who's watching this video, and I hope it's a year full of happiness and joy, and I know we all deserve a fantastic 2021, and I wish the most happiness and blessings to everybody and anybody for 2021. So right now, let's get into the video. So as you can tell, the sandals are in the color white. So I am a person, if you know me personally, I just love the color white, cream, a crew, like a light beige. These are my kind of colors. Or I'm to the extreme where I like either it's very natural, it's nude, it's neutral colors, or just black. So when I saw these, I was like, wow, these are amazing. But now, because I have these, and I know a lot of people do say do not buy the white pair as your first pair, I'm hoping I will be okay. But if you are watching this video and you own a pair of these and you have any tips on how I can keep these in good condition, please do leave a comment in the comment box, because that would help me out so much. And just a quick note, these are actually one size up. So I normally wear a UK 39, but these are a UK 40. So if you are contemplating on actually purchasing these, I would probably recommend to go into store and have a try on, because I know everybody's feet shape is obviously different. I have also at the end of the video left a quick demo of me actually wearing the sandals, and that comes in right at the end. So obviously, because it's freezing cold in England, I haven't really had a chance to wear the sandals yet, but so far they do feel really comfortable, and I'm super excited to be wearing these in summer, hopefully on somewhere hot and exotic on holiday. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, take care. See you guys soon in 2021.